Yo, what's up, guys? Today I got the pressure washer out and finally started to pressure wash the parts that are going onto the wagon. So here's the rear subframe and differential carrier and the differential. So this was all just completely black and covered with grease, and as you can see, it's actually pretty shiny clean right now. This is the old 2.2 from the Wagon. That's actually for sale. It still runs perfectly. I have a video of it running and starting and everything like that. And then here's something I'm really stoked about. This is the 6-speed. So finally going with a nice transmission. I've actually broken 2 5-speeds in my previous coupe. But yeah, so finally a 6-speed out of the STI. It already has I don't know what company this is, MODCR or MODC Racing. I don't want to botch that. It's got the parent lockout. All of this was blasted clean. You can see it was just completely covered in grease, and now it's actually pretty shiny. Stainless line for the clutch master cylinder, and then yeah, so right now we are going to be dropping the gas tank out of here. I have to jack up the back first and put some stands on there. But today I'm going to be removing the rear subframe. Probably could drop the transmission out as well. Just kind of remove everything from here back, and then start to put on the STI parts. We'll see how much we can get done today. But yeah, I just wanted to film a little update video. I haven't been doing any filming at all lately, but I have been working, so don't think I've been doing nothing. Anyways, the wiring harnesses are both at iWire, the STI harness and the Outback Sport harness. So I took those out to iWire, I believe on Thursday, was it? Yeah, Thursday of this week. So that's exciting. I don't remember how long they usually take, but the cool thing is I don't have to pay until it's done, which is going to be pretty expensive. I believe my invoice came out to $1,400 with the spare parts, and here's one of the parts that I got. This is it says right there, drive-by-wire adapter pedal, because the 05 STI is drive-by-wire, and I wanted to keep everything as close to OEM as possible, so I didn't want to convert the throttle body to cable, so we're going to be doing the drive-by-wire adapter in here. Let's see. And I'm actually changing this pedal box to the STI one just because the Outback Sport in 2000 is a cable-driven clutch, and the STI is hydraulic, as you can see on the transmission. So there's 2 ways you could change this. So you can actually run the RS, like I think 98 to 01 RS pedal box, and that's a direct bolt-on, but the 0207 GD pedal box is also a bolt-on. It just, one of the bolt holes doesn't line up, so you have to use a washer to hold it on there. And I did that on my coupe and it worked totally fine, so I think I'm gonna go that route just because I have it and it's gonna be, free. So yeah, that's the latest and greatest with my STI swap. I'll be filming some more videos of the engine rebuild. I'm gonna probably do that with Garage Dakota. I think that's his YouTube name, but yeah, my buddy Dakota has a YouTube channel. I'll link that below if you want to see his channel and his cool videos. He does similar things. He's actually doing a JDM EJ205 into his bug eye, so he just did a rebuild on that. So yeah, check out his channel. That's going to be who I'm doing my rebuild with. just because he has a really clean garage and he just did it, so he's a little fresh on the engine rebuild. So alright, that's going to be it for my little update, but before I go, I wanted to show you the engine that's going in here, and exactly what I'm going to be doing to it. So here's the EJ257. It has one broken exhaust cam gear, see right there, and then all of these plastic covers are pretty much destroyed. So I'm just going to be safe and take the heads off and completely rebuild the heads. I might have out front do the heads again just because they did a really good job on my Forester heads. So we're going to take the heads off. Once those are done, I'm going to do a completely new gasket kit and a completely new timing kit, as well as the Killer Bee oil pan. No, not the pan, the oil baffle and the oil pickup. And then I need to get like all OEM hoses because I want to pass bar again on this swap. So these are all Mishimoto. I'll put those back on after I pass bar, but I need to buy all the OEM hoses. But yeah, we'll film that rebuild of the engine at Dakota's house, and then hopefully it'll be some pretty good content. But yeah, that's the update on the swap, and we'll see you in the next one. Alright guys, we're wrapping up for the night. This is going to be the last bit of my update video for today. We just got the full rear subframe out of the car. Not this one, but the other subframe, which is over here. Can't really see it. And then we also got the gas tank out of here. So you can see basically nothing underneath the car. So it's ready to put the STI gas tank in, and then the STI rear subframe. So yeah, tomorrow we're gonna go ahead and do that, but I'm gonna end the update video right now and then start editing. So yeah, we'll see you in the next one.